back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video about getting a work permit here in the Cayman Islands and what the steps are to acquire the work permit. So the first step is going to be finding a job. You have to find a job before you can apply for a work visa here because your employer sends in your work permit. You don't submit your own work permit here in the Cayman Islands. I'm going to link my video down below and just watch that video for different tips and tricks on how to find a job here. So step number 2, after you found a job and you've secured employment via contract with a local employer here in the Cayman Islands, you're going to get your paperwork and documents filled out. So there's a temporary work permit form that your employer will send you to fill out. It's going to have questions about previous jobs. It's going to just ask you some info, some personal info to fill out about yourself. The second thing you need is passport size photos. So I think it just needs one, but I just recommend getting 2 just in case. They're the same size photos you would need for a passport application. You'll need these photos to include with your application on your official work permit forms. Then you'll also need a police clearance from your place of residence for the last 6 months. And that's it. If you're getting a permit longer than 3 months, you will be required to do a medical examination, but generally most employers do start you on a temporary permit 3 months, as it is the fastest way to get you to the island, but anything over 3 months will require you to get a medical examination done in your home country as well. So once all of these steps are complete, you have your paperwork filled out, you have your passport size photos, you have your police clearance, and if needed, you have your medical examination. You're then going to send all these documents back to your employer, and your employer will submit this application for you via the immigration services here in the Cayman Islands. If your employer is putting in an express permit for you, you'll probably hear back within 2 to 3 business days. And then a regular permit takes roughly 5 to 10 business days. These are for temporary permits. If your employer is putting permits in 1 year or greater, those do take up to 3 months, but generally most employers are going to put you on the 3 or 6 month permit option as they are much faster and require less documentations. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. And if you have any other questions, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you found this to be useful, and you can give this video a thumbs up as well.